Hello, OHE kindergartners. I'm starting the video this week with pre-video caregiver tips. So this is one for the mommies and daddies and uncles and aunties and everybody that helps you out when you're at your house learning. So you can listen while they're listening to this, but don't worry, the show will start soon. All right, here we go. This video can be used in different ways, caregivers. For students becoming familiar with addition and subtraction, the equations and the accompanying pictures can be used to build basic understandings of concepts and symbols. In this situation, caregivers might want to watch with the student. Pause the video, talk about each problem until the student can independently, on their own, understand the concepts and the symbols, plus and minus and equal sign. Maybe complete the whole video over several sittings rather than just one. Now, for students that have a basic understanding of the concepts and symbols, this video can be used like a digital version of flashcards to help the student build addition and subtraction fluency to 5. That's a end of the year skill, and you keep on learning it on to first grade. So caregivers might want to watch with the student for the first time, modeling expectations for the student on how to play along, reading each equation with Mr. Nichols, and then saying the answer as quickly as possible after reading the equation. Be sure to emphasize to your student that this skill will take practice and invite them to try the video every other day for a week or so if they enjoy this style of practice. Show them how to skip straight through to the math part in case the intro parts of the video are no longer interesting to them. The student will eventually need to switch to flashcards or another method to work on fluency, and so they can experience the equations in random order. This video can be a stepping stone to that goal. So I hope this video brings students and caregivers a fun way to work on addition and subtraction, but it won't be for everybody. Please follow the lead of your student and explore math concepts with them to find which ways are the most engaging for them to practice, especially for things like fluency that involve rote memorization. Finding novel ways to keep rote memorization fun can greatly increase student engagement, but fun is subjective, and thus it's different for every student. Find out what's fun. And now, thank you for waiting, students. On with the show. There's Flat Mr. Nichols, and we appear to be on some sort of game show stage. Flat Mr. Nichols says, "Welcome to the hit new game show all the kids are talking about. Addition and subtraction, fluency to 5, 5, 5, 5. I'm your host, Flat Mr. Nichols. Let's meet our contestants. She can sometimes be found hanging out with her unicorn buddy at the Lake City Branch Library. Let's hear it for Flat Miss Kozu. When I went walking, I ran into this flat teacher riding a raptor in Carkeek Park. Let's hear it for Flat Miss Lay. To the students watching at home, this game is all about adding and subtracting as quickly as you can while still getting the right answer. Once you understand how to add and subtract, it becomes important to be able to do it quickly because adding and subtracting will be small parts of much larger math problems that you will learn later in school. So do your best to answer quickly as you can the addition and subtraction problems that the flat teachers are given in this game show video. Don't worry if you make mistakes and are slow at first. This skill's like any other. The more you practice, the better you will get at it. This game show is meant to be a fun way to practice. Watch the math part more than once. Each time you play along, you'll get a little faster at adding and subtracting as you remember more. Each flat teacher contestant will try to answer a mixture of 20 addition and subtraction problems. They will have 3 seconds after I read the question to answer correctly before the buzzer. Flat Miss Kozu and Flat Miss Lay each have the option to phone a friend for the answer to one problem. The friend has 3 seconds after I read the question again to answer correctly before the buzzer. Let's start with Flat Miss Kozu. Are you ready for your turn, Flat Miss Kozu? Students, are you listening? I would like the students to try to read each problem with me. If it's hard at first, remember that you'll get better at this with practice. Ready? Here we go. Question 1. Get ready to read along, students. Ready? 2 plus 1 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 3. Correct! Yay! All right, question 2. Get ready to read the number sentence with me, students. Here we go. 0 plus 2 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 2. You got it! Question 3. Here we go. Read with me, students. 4 minus 1 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 3. That's right! Question 4. Read along, students. 2 minus 0 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 2. Excellent! All right. Question 5. Read along, students. Here we go. 5 minus 2 equals, Flat Miss Kozu. Oh, she says she wants to phone a friend. She's going to phone Flat Miss Morris. Let's check in. Miss Kozu is using her phone a friend credit to call Flat Miss Morris. Let's see if Flat Miss Morris knows the answer. Ready? Read along. 5 minus 2 equals, Flat Miss Morris. She says 3. Correct! Flat Miss Morris successfully helped Miss Kozu. Yay! Question 6. Read along, students. 2 plus 3 equals, Flat Miss Kozu. 5. Way to go! Question 7. Read along, students. 2 minus 1 equals, what is it? 1. That's right, rock and roll. Yay! Go Flat Miss Kozu! Question 8. Read along. 3 plus 1 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 4. Well done! Question 9. Read along. 4 minus 4 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 0. Yes! Party on, Miss Kozu! Woo! Woo! Question 10. Read along, students. 5 minus 4 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 1. Miss Kozu gets it! Yay! Yay! It's time for a brain break. Move your body safely, however you would like, while you watch this rodent eat a cucumber. Get the wiggles out. All right, let's take a deep breath to get our minds ready for more math. Breathe in, out. Take another one if you need. Here we go. All right, Flat Miss Kozu and the students. Ready for more math? Great. Question 11. Read along with me, students. Here we go. 0 plus 4 equals, what do you think? 4, says Flat Miss Kozu. Solid job! Yay! Question 12. Ready? Read along, students. 1 plus 4 equals, what is it? 5, says Miss Kozu. Righteous math skills! Question 13. Read along, students. 4 minus 2 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 2. Bossa Nova! Question 14. Read along, students. 2 plus 3 equals, what is it? Oh, Miss Kozu's got some brain fuzz. Oh! Out of time. That's okay, Flat Miss Kozu. You're doing great. It's okay to make a mistake. I bet you knew the answer is 5, but just had some brain fuzz. As I'm sure you know, that happens to everyone sometimes. Question 15. Read along. 0 plus 3 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Kozu says 3. You betcha. Great job. Only 5 more questions to go, Flat Miss Kozu. Question 16, read along. 5 minus 1 equals, what is it? Flatness Kozu says 4. Your math skills are the bee's knees. Question 17, read along. 1 minus 1 equals, she says 0. Algebraic! The next question is what we call a classic. Here's question 18. Read along. 2 plus 2 equals, what is it? Flatness Kozu says 4. Scrumdiddlyumptious! You got it! Question 19. Read along, students. 1 plus 0 equals, what is it? 1, says Flatness Kozu. That's mega math! Last question for Flatness Kozu. Question 20. Read along, students. 4 minus 3 equals, what is it? Flatness Kozu says 1. You're right! 1 is right! You finished all your questions. Let's hear it! It's time for another brain break. Move your body safely however you would like while you rock out with this fish. Get the wiggles out. All right, let's take a deep breath to get our minds ready for more math. Ready? Breathe in and out. Are Flat Miss Lay and the students ready for more math? Let's see if Flat Miss Lay is ready. Great! Question 1 for Flat Miss Lay. Read along, students. 3 minus 3 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 0. Absolutely correct. Question 2. Read along, students. 1 plus 3 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 4. That's right, cowabunga! Question 3. Read along, students. 3 plus 0 equals, what is it? 3, she says. Totally! Yes! Yes! Question 4. Read along, students. 4 plus 1 equals, what is it? Oh, she's going to use phone a friend. Miss Lay is using her phone a friend credit to call Flat Miss Fuller. Let's see if Flat Miss Fuller knows the answer. Ready, Flat Miss Fuller? Read along. 4 plus 1 equals, Flat Miss Fuller says 5. Correct! Flat Miss Fuller has successfully helped Flat Miss Lay. Yay! Question 5. Read along, students. 3 minus 1 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 2. Awesome possum! You got it. You got it. You got it. Question 6 for Flat Miss Lay. Read along, students. 5 minus 5 equals, what is it? She says 0. This is for certain. Yay! Question 7. 5 minus 3 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 2. Radical. Actually, no radicals yet. I mean, hooray! Hooray! Question 8. Read along, students. 1 plus 2 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 3. Go Miss Lay! Question 9. Read along, students. 2 minus 2 equals, what is it? She says 1. Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Lay. That was not the correct answer, but that's okay. I bet you knew the right answer. Sometimes fluency activities go just right, and every problem you get correct. Sometimes you say or write the wrong number even if you knew the right answer. It happens to everyone sometimes. You're still doing great. One more question to go before the brain break. Question 10. Read along, students. 4 plus 0 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 4. Gnarly number knowledge, that's right. It's time for another brain break. Move your body safely, however you like, while you get funky with these monkeys. Get the wiggles out. Wait, Flat Miss Lay, what? Flat Miss Lay says, wait a minute, Flat Mr. Nichols. That is not a monkey. That's a cute little baby sloth, says Flat Miss Kozu. Miss Lay says, don't worry, Flat Mr. Nichols. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Flat Miss Kozu says, you're still doing a great job. Flat Mr. Nichols says, oopsies happen, especially when your 91 slides into an animated slideshow. Thanks, you two. Back to the baby sloths. All right, let's take a deep breath to breathe and get our minds ready for more math. Breathe in and out. Are Flat Miss Lay and the students ready for more math? Great. Question 11. Read along, students. 5 plus 0 equals, what will she say? 5. Fabulous. Question 12. Read along, students. 0 plus 1 equals, what is it? She says 1. Huzzah! That's right! Question 13. Read along, students. 4 minus 0 equals, what is it? Miss Lay, Flat Miss Lay says 4. That's how it goes. Question 14. Read along, students. 3 plus 2 equals, what is it? 5, says Flat Miss Lay. Yay, correct. Correct. Question 15. Read along, students. 3 minus 2 equals, what is it? 1, she says. Yes, that's the way. Question 16. Read along, students. 1 minus 0 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 1. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. That's right. Question 17. Read along. 3 minus 0 equals, what is it? She says 3. Woohoo! Question 18. Ready? Read along. 1 plus 1 equals, what is it? 2. Ha-ha! Correct! Question 19. Read along, students. 0 plus 5 equals, what is it? Flat Miss Lay says 5. Success! Are you ready for the final question? Here's Flat Miss Lay's final question. Read along, students. 2 plus 0 equals, what is it? 2. That's correct. You finished all your questions. Great work, everybody. I hope you all enjoyed playing, and I'll see you next time on Addition and Subtraction Fluency to 5, 5, 5, 5.